Hey world,
Hello.
it's La-Donna and Mark here from Radique Audio. La-Donna's doing the heavy lifting with the camera work today, so I get to be the on-air talent. Apologies in advance for that. So today we're going to be showing you very briefly how to install one of our Ottawa Valley Cherrywood Marantz cabinets on a Marantz 2200 series receiver. So what we have in front of us right now is a Marantz 2220B. It is upside down, and I'm actually going to be removing the feet that started off on this because that's the first step of the installation process. So I've got one already removed. These are simple Phillips head. So we'll just get these removed all together. You're going to want to save the screws and set them aside in case you ever want to remove the cabinet, in which case you'll want those shorter screws to be used again in the future. So we usually just put them in a little envelope so that they're safely set aside. These feet we're going to be using again right now. So these are the original feet. If you don't have them, let us know. We can always sell you a set of feet with the cabinet, but hopefully you've got the ones that came with your amplifier. So that's step one. I'm going to gently take the 2220 and set it aside as well. Usually the amplifier is the star of our show, but in this case, the star is going to be our cabinet. And here we go.
Ooh la la.
This is our beautiful cabinet. So this is finished in real cherry wood veneer. Inside is a very heavy duty MDF. We use MDF as the inner inert material just because it is acoustically really neutral and it's much less prone to flexing with heat variation and humidity variation. So it is possible to use all solid wood, a little bit more expensive, but a lot more potential issues down the road, especially because we're selling these to be used over decades, not just a year or two. So this, we believe, is the best possible combination of craftsmanship, appearance, build quality, and functionality for the long term. We also have a nice, I don't know if you can see from that camera angle, but we've got a nice metal grill insert so that your amplifier can still breathe well while the cabinet's in place. And underneath, we have a couple of different sets of holes pre-drilled, because depending on the exact model of Marantz 2200 series receiver you have, it might need one position or the other. So when you get the amplifier cabinet from us, you will have both sets of holes there, so it should be easy for you to install. And as you can see, the back edge is finished. You can see the nice trim here. And of course, the leading edge is finished and nicely beveled as well. So it's really a beautiful piece of construction. So when we are going to install the amplifier, we're going to actually put this upside down gently. And the amplifier is going to go in just like this. So we route the power cable through. It should slide in like a glove. Usually we do this with two people, but that's...
Yes, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
You're
I'm just going to bring this forward a little bit. I'm routing the cable through so it doesn't get caught. Don't look at my butt. Okay, so that has gone in nicely. Now remember those feet we took aside earlier. Your cabinet will ship with these longer screws, which will allow you to use the original feet to secure the cabinet in place. Holes we're going to use are the furthest set. Now I don't tighten it really tight for two reasons. One is I want to be able to make small adjustments with all four screws in place. And the second is that these feet can be cracked if they're overdriven. So this is just finger tight right now. I'm going to do the same thing with the other feet. I like to go kitty corner, get the opposite corners in. If you're purchasing one of these cabinets from us locally, we will install it for you at no charge. But if you're having us ship you one, then this is the process you're going to use. Halfway done.
Oh, we just sold one of these Marantz 22xx without the cabinet, ironically.
We did. Shout out to Rico.
Rico. Oh, we just shipped it yesterday, so he doesn't have it yet, but it's en route and it's awesome.
We just ran out of battery, so we'll finish this the old-fashioned way. Yeah, the screws are long, so when you're doing it manually, you really notice how long it takes to drive it all the way in place. There we go. So these are all just finger tight right now. And I'm going to turn it over to make sure everything's lined up properly.
Look at that.
And it looks good. It's nice and level. For some of this series of amplifier, they might be 1/16 of an inch shorter than the others. We've noticed that with original 2220s, sometimes with 2225s. And if that's the case, it's possible to use little felt feet as standoffs inside the cabinet. These felt feet can be used on the Marantz receiver itself before installing it if your Marantz is slightly shorter than our cabinet. But our cabinet is made, this will fit literally everything from a 2285B all the way down to a 2220 and all the different models in between. So that is it. As you can see, it looks beautiful with it when it's all installed.
It sure does.
And thank you as always for watching Radique Audio.
Great job, Marcus.
So. And if you're interested in one of these, we should mention they are available on our website at radique.com. We sell them for $4.95 Canadian. That's roughly, I think it's roughly 300 and change US dollars. We only offer them right now in the cherrywood finish. We may at some point offer custom finishes, but right now we really like the cherry. The cherry will get darker over time. So this right now, this one has been was finished about 3 months ago, but over time the cherry will get a little bit darker just the way it normally will. If it's exposed to a lot of daylight, it will get darker a little quicker, but it's a beautiful piece, as you can see. Thanks everybody, stay tuned. Oh, and the last thing we should mention, please, if you have not yet done so, you can enter to win one of our RA mini amps in our next draw. Just comment RA mini to this video.
And let us know if you like the faux wood finish or the black finish.
That's correct. Awesome. Bye, world.
Bye.
La-Donna, if you wanted to say something while I'm doing this, I thought I saw a bunch of those.
Is that one that little paper upside down? Beside the lint roller? In front of the lint roller? Is it empty, Mark? In front of the lint roller?
I don't see the lint roller.
The lint roller on top of the gray cabinet?
Gray cabinet, lint roller.
I don't want to come into the frame.
That went well.
You are killing me. You didn't see the lint roller?
No. I was looking for lint roller.
Oh, okay. And that's a blooper.
That's a blooper. Cool.